A very good afternoon to you guys. Today we are going to look at machines. Now, what is a machine? A machine is any device that make work easier. Okay? That is a machine. E.g., hammer, screwdriver, knife, etc. Okay? Now we need to look at types of machines. Generally, we have two types of machines. Number one, we have simple machines. Simple machines, we are talking of things like hammer, knife, etc. Alright? We move to number two, we have complex machines. Complex machines are machines that are more complicated, e.g., crane, earth movers, etc. Okay? So these are the two types of machines that we have. Now we move to something interesting. We want to look at what is known as mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage. Okay. Now, machines have got a certain advantage compared to doing the thing manually or with our own means. So this advantage that machines have over the traditional method of not using machines is what is known as the mechanical advantage. It's more like the advantage of a machine in carrying loads or in doing work. Okay? So mechanical advantage shortened to MA is equal to the load lifted over the effort applied. Okay? That is the mechanical advantage. And this is how we find the mechanical advantage. Now we move to what is known as velocity ratio. Now, velocity ratio is a ratio that shows us how useful a machine is. So, the smaller the velocity ratio, the more useful the machine is. So, velocity ratio is given by the formula distance moved by effort, or I can just say VR equals to distance moved by effort over distance moved by load. over distance moved by load. Okay, or velocity ratio is distance moved by effort from pivot over distance moved by effort. Distance, DME, is just distance moved by effort over distance moved by load from pivot. Okay, that's another formula for velocity ratio. Now we move to work done. Work done is given by force times distance. So it's the force applied times the distance moved, of which force is measured in newtons, distance in meters. So force times distance will give us a unit of Newton meters, which is the same as joules. Remember, energy is measured in joules. Okay? We now move on to efficiency. Efficiency measures how efficient is the machine. Okay? How efficient is the machine. So a machine should be 100% efficient. A very good machine should be 100% efficient. But however, this is not always the case, because there's some energy is lost due to friction of moving parts. So mama moving parts panangaita friction, it energy rate kwa loss. So akuna machine uri 100% efficient because of that. So in trying kuti machine wedu uve as efficient as possible, we start finding ways of reducing friction. Ways of reducing friction. Okay. And what are these ways of reducing friction? Number one, we can use lubricating or oiling. Okay. Lubricating or oiling, painting. Okay. Things like painting, things like putting rollers. Okay. Things like putting bearings. Etc. Okay. So this is it for our lecture. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know at 0784 002 002. Goodbye. And also don't forget to subscribe and like on my YouTube channel.